Hi there, my name is Dr. Alexandra Owens, and I'm an Assistant Professor of Education at McKendree University. Today I'm going to show you how to administer and score the CORE Phoneme Segmentation Test, which can be found in the text Assessing Reading Multiple Measures. This phoneme segmentation test is specifically designed for students in second grade and up with reading difficulties that cannot be attributed to limited English or limited exposure to instruction. Administer this 15-item test only after assessing the student's comprehension, fluency, and phonics as shown on the diagnostic plans on page 14 and 15 of the text. Many older students who are significantly behind in reading or spelling may have underdeveloped phonological awareness. Use this test to determine whether deficits in phoneme segmentation may account for serious delays in reading or spelling. Use the following practice items to demonstrate the phoneme segmentation task. Proceed to the test items only after the student demonstrates the understanding of the task. When teaching the task using the practice items, praise the student for even close approximations of the correct response. However, when administering the test items, give only general feedback. Do not indicate whether a response was correct or not. Let's take a look at practice item 1. On a table or desk, arrange 8 different color tiles or blocks in a row. Say to the student, we are going to use blocks to show the sounds in a word. Let's say I wanted to show you the word sit. The word sit has 3 sounds. S, it. Select and move 1 block for each of the sounds in sit as you say the sounds slowly in order. S, it. Use a different color block for each sound. Ask the student, can you point to the block that stands for S? Which block stands for T? And what sound does the middle block stand for? I. Very good. Now, can you say the 3 sounds in sit? S, it. Very good. You got it the first time. If the student says letter names instead of sounds, say, yes, that is how you spell sit, but I want you to show me the sounds. Practice item 2. On a table or desk, arrange 8 different color tile blocks in a row. Say to the student, now you try one. If you wanted to show the word shop, how many sounds is that? Use blocks to show me. If the student cannot segment the word independently, model the task as follows. Say the word shop has 3 sounds. Select a block that stands for each of the sounds as you say the sounds in a left to right progression. Sh, ah, p. What are the 3 sounds in shop? Which block stands for sh? Which block stands for p? What sound does the middle block stand for? Ah. If the student shows 4 blocks, he or she is probably trying to spell the word. Remind the students to pay close attention to the sounds of the word, not the letters. Proceed with testing when the student clearly understands the task and can at least point to a block that represents the correct sound. Discontinue testing if the student does not respond correctly to the 5 test items in a row. Use the following guidelines on page 32 of Assessing Reading Multiple Measures to determine the student's performance levels. Scores are shown as end-of-year scores. Enter the student's score on a copy of the appropriate student profile form and class record form if you choose. Students who are strategic Students who score at strategic or intensive levels will benefit from targeted and intensive instruction and extensive practice in phonological awareness. I hope that this video has helped you learn how to administer and score the CORE Phoneme Segmentation Test.